Hey everyone, welcome to Easy Talk English channel. My name's John.
Hi everyone, I'm Emma. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Yeah, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to talk about something very normal, something we all do, or maybe sometimes avoid.
That's true. Today's topic is cleaning the house.
Oh wow, cleaning. Just hearing that word makes me a little tired already.
Really? I actually like cleaning, sometimes.
Sometimes. That sounds honest.
Yeah, only when I'm in the mood. What about you, John? Do you like cleaning?
I don't hate it, but I don't love it either. I think I like the feeling after cleaning. You know, when everything is fresh and nice.
Oh yes, I love that feeling too. When the house smells clean and everything is in the right place.
Yeah, it feels like a new start.
Exactly.
So, Emma, when do you usually clean your house?
Let me think. I usually clean on the weekend. Saturday morning is my cleaning time.
Saturday morning. That sounds very organized.
I try. I wake up, drink coffee, and then I start cleaning.
That actually sounds kind of peaceful.
It is. I play music, open the windows, and just take my time.
Oh, music helps a lot. I always need music when I clean.
Same here. What kind of music do you play?
Something upbeat. Maybe pop music. Something that makes me move.
Oh, yes, dancing while cleaning.
Yes, sometimes I dance more than I clean.
That's okay. At least you're moving.
True. So what do you clean first?
I usually start with the bedroom. I make the bed first.
Making the bed. That's a good habit.
Yeah, it makes the room look clean right away.
That's true. Even if everything else is messy, a clean bed helps.
Exactly. Then I pick up clothes from the floor.
Ah, yes, the famous clothes on the floor.
We all do that sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes my chair becomes a clothes chair.
Oh no, not the chair.
You know what I mean, right?
I do. I have one too.
See, it's normal.
So after the bedroom, I clean the living room.
What do you do there?
I dust the table, clean the sofa, and organize things.
Dusting is important, but I forget it sometimes.
Me too. But when I see dust, I feel like, okay, I really need to clean now.
Yeah, dust is like a reminder.
Exactly.
So what about the kitchen? That's my least favorite place to clean.
Really? I think the kitchen is very important.
I know, but it takes time.
That's true. There are many things to do. Washing dishes, cleaning the sink, wiping the table.
And the stove.
Oh yes, the stove can be very messy.
Especially after cooking.
Do you cook often?
Not really, but when I do, I make a big mess.
Same here. Cooking is fun, but cleaning after, not so fun.
Exactly.
I try to clean while I cook.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah, so it's not too much work later.
I should try that. I usually wait and then everything piles up.
That makes it harder.
It does. Sometimes I look at the kitchen and think, I'll do it later.
And later becomes tomorrow.
Yes, exactly.
We've all been there.
So, Emma, do you have any special cleaning tools?
Not really special, just simple things. A broom, a mop, and cleaning spray.
Same here. Oh, and a vacuum cleaner.
Yes, I love using a vacuum.
Me too. It's fast and easy.
And a little fun too.
Yeah, it feels like a game.
Do you clean every day?
Not every day. Maybe small things every day, like washing dishes or wiping the table.
That's good. Small cleaning every day helps a lot.
Yeah, it keeps the house from getting too messy.
Exactly.
Do you live alone, Emma?
Yes, I do. So I have to do all the cleaning myself.
Same here. Sometimes I wish I had help.
Me too. Cleaning with someone can be more fun.
Yeah, like talking while cleaning.
Or sharing the work.
That would be nice.
When I was younger, I cleaned with my family.
Oh, really?
Yes, on Sundays, we all cleaned together.
That sounds nice.
It was. We talked and laughed and worked together.
That makes cleaning feel less like work.
Exactly.
I remember my mom always telling me, clean your room.
Classic.
And I always said, I will later.
And did you?
Not always.
Same here.
But now I understand why it's important.
Me too. A clean house makes you feel better.
Yes, it really does. When my place is messy, I feel stressed.
That's true. A messy space can make your mind feel messy too.
Wow, that's a good way to say it.
Thanks.
When I clean, I feel calm, like I can relax.
Yes, I love sitting in a clean room with a cup of tea.
That sounds perfect.
It is.
Do you have any tips for beginners?
Yes. Start small.
What do you mean?
Don't try to clean everything at once. Just start with one room or even one corner.
That's a good idea.
And take breaks.
Oh, yes, breaks are important.
Cleaning doesn't have to be fast. Just go step by step.
I like that.
And play music. It makes everything better.
I agree 100%.
So what about you, John? Any tips?
I would say make it a habit.
Oh, that's a good one.
Like clean a little every day, maybe 10 or 15 minutes.
That's easy to do.
Yeah, and it saves time later.
That's true.
Also, reward yourself after cleaning.
Oh, I like that idea.
Like watching your favorite show or eating something you like.
That makes cleaning more fun.
Exactly.
So cleaning doesn't have to be boring.
No, it doesn't.
It can be relaxing, even enjoyable sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay, not always.
But the result is always good.
That's true.
So guys, cleaning the house is a simple but important part of life.
Yes, it helps you feel better, think clearly, and live comfortably.
You don't need to be perfect.
Just do a little at a time.
And find your own way to enjoy it.
Maybe with music or a friend.
Or even just a good cup of coffee after.
That's the best part.
So Emma, are you going to clean this weekend?
Yes, I think I will.
Me too. We talked about it so much. Now I feel motivated.
Same here.
All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching Easy Talk English channel.
We hope this conversation helps you learn English in a fun and natural way.
And maybe inspires you to clean your house too.
Yes, maybe just a little.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.